Hey guys, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Bestsight Night Vision System with record function. Now, I already did a review for a similar system for Bestsight a while back, and I'll throw a little pop-up right in the top right-hand corner of the screen there for you if you want to go watch that review. I'm going to be doing this review in two parts. An unboxing part and then a later review part where I actually show you the results of live in-field testing of the system. So let me go ahead and break this baby right out of the box, and I do apologize for my voice today. I'm just recovering from a bad case of the flu, which left me with a bit of laryngitis. Okay, let's get her out of the box. Alright, so here are all the components that came in the box with it. Let's walk through what each one does. This is the camera that mounts on the back of a rifle scope. This is the monitor that you're going to be looking at. It also mounts on the rifle scope, and this is an infrared flashlight that helps illuminate in a distance in front of the scope. These are the attachments for each of these, and the kit also comes with a 32 gigabyte Kingston SD card, a USB card reader, and some cool camo tape here. All right. What it doesn't come with is a set of batteries, and what you'll need is some of these batteries right here, the 1850 lithium-ion batteries. You'll need some of these to be able to run the system. You'll need two of them, one that goes here and one that goes in the flashlight. All right. I'll throw a link in the description of the video to the special batteries that this kit needs. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on a scope just for example right now. I do happen to have a scope here, a little Bushnell scope, and it's intended for this to tighten up around the scope, but these screws are all the way tight, and it is not actually small enough to go on the scope. So what I'm going to do is going to take some of this cool tape they sent here. It's kind of like medical tape, and put that on the scope here to kind of thicken it up a little bit. You could use any other kind of tape, just something to make it a little bit thicker in diameter. Some scopes have a thicker diameter than this on the optics there, but hopefully just a couple of wraps here will do the trick. Okay, so back off the screws here, and you can do it in different ways. Use different things if you want to. These little screws are plastic, so they should not scratch the finish on your scope once you've got them on like that. Okay. Now, if it's not secure and it wobbles, you might want to put some more on there. But just for testing, I'm just demonstrating. I probably would use duct tape or something a little more sturdier than just this right here. But just for testing, I'm using it right now. Okay, so that is how that mounts there. This, you have two scope rings right here. They go on here upside down. And then this clicks right into here. And that is how it mounts on the screen. Mounts on the scopes. Now, they include the little special Allen wrench with this kit to take these out, and there's 4 of them, so let me just do that real quick. Okay, so I got that on there. Let's go ahead and install the monitor screen here. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to put the flashlight on, and just put it over the scope, and then put your flashlight through like so. Bring it up here like that, and then tighten that down. Okay, make sure they're kind of lined up like that right there. Let's connect this to the screen right here. Connect that to the screen. Okay, so we will turn it on by pressing the little power button right here on the side. Hold it. Okay. And now, okay. There we go. So it does that. All right, guys. So I've unboxed it and showed you how to set it up. Now comes down to testing, which I will be spending some days out in the wild testing this baby in real world conditions, and I want to show you what it can do, how well it works. So subscribe to my channel right now if you want to see that review when it comes out, okay guys, because it's going to be some exciting stuff. All right, until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.